This is my room. It isn't very big, but I love it and it is very bright. The walls in my room are yellow, and the ceiling in my room is purple. Yellow and purple are my two favorite colors. There is my bed, and on the bed I have a lot of toys. They are all very nice, but my favorite is this black and white cat. Above the bed, on the wall, I have a lamp with a trinket. There is my wardrobe with a mirror. 2 years ago, I very liked to collect dolls, and there are 9 dolls, but in fact, I've got more. There is my perfumes and lip glosses, my photo, and a lot of different things. There is my collection of trinkets. I started to collect them 1 year ago, and there is a lot of different trinkets. And there is my boxes with jewelry, different bracelets and necklaces. And my old pony. This is my school bag and my cupboard. This is my diary, and I very like to describe the events which happened with me. And I also very like to decorate this diary with different photos and stickers. There is a photo with me and my sister on her wedding. And one more toy which my father brought me from London, and a plant. There is my desk, my chair, and there is my computer, mouse. There is my box with different pens and pencils. I very like to buy different pens, like this one, and like this, and this with cats. There is my iPad and my timetable. There is the clocks, very beautiful I think, and one more doll, and there is a carousel. And there are curtains. There are white with purple flowers. And there is a balcony. The walls in the balcony is purple too. There are flowers on the windowsill. A lot of flowers, a lot of different flowers. And it's all. This is my room, and I hope that you like it.